If there's one place that I can confidently say I've spent most of my money here in Israel, it's the supermarket. My first few times shopping at the super, I noticed some differences that make grocery stores here unique. Number one, always have 5 shekels handy. Typically, if you want a large shopping cart, you'll have to put in this coin to release the cart from the stack outside. When you're done, you'll reconnect the cart and your coin will pop out. Number two, don't throw away your receipt. I think similar to Costco in the States, before you leave the store, a guard will look at your receipt and may even stamp it to show that it's been checked. Number three, because most supermarkets here are fully kosher, the meat and cheese counters are actually separate. You'll need to take a different number for each counter. Before I understood this, I waited in a long line until I got to the front, only to realize I had never taken a number. If you're planning your next trip or getting ready to make Aliyah, check out Rosen School of Keepers classes so you'll be totally prepared for every situation, especially at my favorite place, the supermarket.